Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So today's video, I have a Hobby Lobby haul for you guys. I haven't been to Hobby Lobby in forever, and so I was super excited to see what kind of things they had for Christmas and what kind of sales they had going on. I do have a walkthrough of a lot of the things that I didn't purchase. I didn't purchase a lot of things. There was some stuff that I put back, but I wanted to jump on here and share with you guys some of the stuff that I bought. I went in there with the intention of getting some chain to dangle on some of the products that I'm working on, but I knew that I wasn't just gonna get that. So let's see what I grabbed. I always like to grab these when they are on sale. These are the velvet bowls. Now I do, sorry, let me fix my camera. Now I do have a tutorial on how to create these, but every time I go to Hobby Lobby and I see these on sale, I always grab a pack or two. So I grabbed one pack of those. Now, I missed out when I did my Hobby Lobby haul a long time. I don't remember when it was. There was one aisle that I didn't go through, and it was the party aisle. And they had so much bow stuff that everybody was hauling, so I had to run through that section. I thought all the party supply stuff was half off. It is not. The lady said it was just napkins and plates. Like, I thought the stuff was going to be like 50 cents or something, but that's okay. So these are some bow straws. They have bows and stripes all through them. I grabbed two of those. Anybody that knows me knows that I am obsessed with bows. My birds are going crazy right now. In the Christmas section, Christmas was 50% off. I was surprised that it wasn't more than 50% off by now. I do plan on going back when things go like super clearance, whatever that may be. I can't remember if it's 70% off, 60%. I don't know, but I want to grab a lot more when that stuff goes down. I felt like 50 was all right. This was $4.99, so half of that was $2.50. I grabbed these napkins. They also had some plates, and I put them back because my friend Lisa, who is, I think it's Leave It to Lisa, I'm gonna link her down below. She did a tutorial on how to do the plates that everybody's been making, and I wanted to follow it, but those plates, they have like beveled edges, like they're scalloped edges, and it looked super hard to do, so I just left it behind. I'll wait till they go on clearance and then I'll stock up on some plates, but they have some really pretty plates at Hobby Lobby, so if you're into that, definitely check out Lisa's tutorial. I'll link it down below, and then I'm gonna link the video so you guys can see the other places they had. So they had these cupcake liners, baking cups, for $1.99. Half off was $1. So I had to grab these guys. If you know me, if you've been following me for a long time, you guys know that my favorite rosettes to make are cupcake liner rosettes. I'll try to remember to link a tutorial, but I definitely want to play with these and create like a little matching. I thought this would be such a cute little matching set. So I grabbed that. I grabbed these zipper bags with handles, and I think I saw Leanna share a bunch of like the bowl finds in that section. So I finally got my hands on these. I thought they were gonna be $1, but they were $2. Still a decent price, but you know, I would have preferred to pay $1 for them. And then I've been wanting this confetti, $1.99. You get so much in here, guys, and they're just a bunch of little bow confettis. They had 2 packs, but I just grabbed one. And then they had these cupcake toppers. Now these have the sticks and a little, what do you call it? Foam. But I'm gonna take these off, and I just thought this would be cool to have the bowls. And that's what they look like. I mean, for the price, 99 cents, you can't beat it. You know, there's some bowls that I don't have to make. So I'll just tear these off and just glue them onto projects probably. But aren't they adorable? So there's 12 in a pack of those. I grabbed 2 of those, I think. Yeah. And then I grabbed these. Okay, so I grabbed 3 of them. Really pretty. You guys know I love pink satin ribbons, so I had to get that. I grabbed another of the cupcake liner. I didn't get much, guys. I spent $25. That was enough. I went in there with the intention of spending no more than $20. So I went over my limit because I thought these were half off. I got some treat bags. Now the baking section is always half off. So these are 3x4-inch bags, and there's 50. And then last but not least, what I went in there for is this chain. Now, in my video, you guys, they had the one in the ribbon section. They had a chain. It was 40% off, but it only had 3 yards. This was half off for $4.25. And it comes up to, I think it was 7 yards. So I thought this was a better, you know, value. So yeah, guys, that's it for my haul. Oh, and I also grabbed some of this. It's called Silly Winks, but they're glitter sheets of foam, thin foam. So I plan on making some bows with this. I grabbed 2 of them. They're only 99 cents a piece. I wish they had like a lighter pink in those. I wish they had more of a variety of the pinks they have. But I was super happy to get that for 99 cents. So I will link my walkthrough down below so you guys can check it out. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you guys have been grabbing at Hobby Lobby. If there's something at Hobby Lobby that I need to have and I missed it, make sure you guys leave me a comment and let me know. And I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.